It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVCN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice day today, big volume, and then the price reacted nicely with it. So let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk about areas of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level of support, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above $1.64 here, that would be a very good sign. You can see multiple times earlier on in the day, the bears try to press down below there, but the bulls each and every time did a good job of holding strong. So if that continues to go forward, like I said, that would be best case scenario. Now, if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying everything's ruined or anything like that, but that is definitely the preferable area. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, it's really all about the purple line there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Now, I realize this purple line is way down there and the closing price was way up there, but keyword there being moving average. So as time goes by, this line is going to continue to move its way upwards like this. And if you picture that as a trend line, that's another way you can look at it. So from a very simplistic and black and white way to look at, and measure the health of the move. What do I mean by the move? Well, this thing right here. So how can we measure the health of that? As long as the price is above that purple line, then the price, or I should say the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health, however you can best visualize that. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? I'm just going to talk about one level of resistance, and I'll explain that in a second. And that key level of resistance is right up here at the $1.87 mark. Reason I'm just going to focus on that level, or just right up there, is in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance not really a top priority for the chart right now. Top priority is going through some healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because from the long-term picture of things, as long as the price is building higher bases and higher bases, the long-term chart is going to take care of itself. So no doubt about it. Very nice day today. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this trend now going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.